Imagine this. You're sitting on the beach, sipping a cocktail and watching the sunsets. No financial worries, no stress. It's a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take control of your finances and make that dream a reality. Hello, welcome back to my channel where we talk about money skills. Spicy Tea is my name, and I thank you for taking out the time to click on this video when it showed up on your feed. I do not take that lightly. In today's video, we will be looking at how to manage your personal finances, whether you're just starting out or you're struggling to make ends meet or you're looking at building for the retirement time. This video is absolutely for you. We will break down the basics of money management, from budgeting and saving to investing and debt reduction. Section 1 is understanding your finances. You really cannot manage your money if you do not understand how your finances work, where they go. So step 1 under that is track your spending. Where does your money go? Where do you spend it? You can use a budgeting app or a spreadsheet. I like to keep things simple. I just track by writing down what I spend. Whichever one works for you, track what you spend. Step 2 is calculate your net worth. Now, you don't have to be a billionaire to know your net worth. Where you are right now, you have a net worth. How do you do that? You subtract your debts, everything you owe, from your assets. That is the true picture of your financial health. Step 3 is set financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your money. Do you want to buy a house? Do you want to start a business? Do you want to save for retirement? Or you want to save for your children's education? Have a clear picture of what you want your money to achieve. Write it down. Section 2 is creating a budget. Step 1 under section 2 is estimate your income. What is your cash inflow? Where does money come from? Are you a salary earner? Do you work? Do you receive money every 2 weeks or every 4 weeks? Write the total income you get from your job. Do you have side hustles? Do you have dividends coming into you? Every source of cash inflow, you need to write down what you get at the end of every month. Step 2 is to list your expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable. So fixed are things like your rent or mortgage, your utilities, probably your car loan. These are things that you must pay and you know how much exactly they are. Then you have your variable costs, your variable expenses, which are things that, dance between a certain range. So your food, entertainment, clothing and stuff like that. Make sure to categorize your expenses. And step 3 under this section is to allocate your budget. Decide how much you want to allocate to each category. Again, write it down. Have you subscribed to this channel? I'm sure you have. If you haven't, I'm going to give you a second to do that. And don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you. Let's move on to section 3. That's savings and investing. Step 1 is to build an emergency fund. The aim is to build 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. The reason is to cover unexpected costs when they come. Step 2 is to invest for the future. Consider investing in options like bonds, stocks, mutual funds, and things like that to grow money for the future. Of course, you need to have an understanding of how these work before you invest in them. So you might need the assistance of an expert in any of these fields before you invest, but don't let that stop you. Invest for the future. Step 3 is to consider retirement savings. What option of retirement savings operates in your country? Consider investing in them and put away something for your retirement time. Section 4 is managing debts. Step 1, pay off high interest debts. So focus on your credit card debts and personal loans. These accrue high interest, and it will be a very smart idea to pay all of those off first. Step 2 is to negotiate with creditors. That is an option a lot of people don't explore, but it's really very possible. And from a personal perspective, I'm going to tell you that it does, because I have used it when I had so much credit card debts, like I was swimming in it. I had to negotiate with creditors to keep the interest at a level that I could keep up with. So that's an option that you should consider if you're struggling with high interest debts. Step 3, this involves a lot of self-discipline, is to avoid taking on new debts. While you are paying off your high interest debts, while you are working towards financial freedom, avoid taking on new debts. And that means that you need to stick to your budget, as we discussed in one of the earlier steps. These 4 sections are designed to help you build financial stability, to help you manage your money. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It takes discipline, patience, and consistent efforts. By following these tips and taking action, you can achieve your financial goals and actually enjoy financial stability. So what are you waiting for? Start managing your money today. Thanks for watching.